Okay, class. Sorry about that. Now, let's continue. Can you see this one? Can you see now?
Yeah.
Sam, where is Sam? Sam is sleeping now. Who is this? Fong. I'm spotty and speedy, but not at all greedy. What is this?
I don't know.
A cheetah. Okay, Hannah. Hannah and Sunny.
Chill.
Chill.
Nine.
This provides meat that you would eat when breakfast you are making. A chicken, what gives the eggs? This is what gives a bacon. What am I? Gives a bacon?
Em có two.
Okay, what animal gives a bacon?
Chicken.
A
Chicken. Elephant.
oh, what is that? 6. Okay, what is this? What is 2? An pig. Okay. Next, Pong and
No,
Sam.
40. Nine.
14. I live in the woods. I'm very big and furry. I have a big nose, a little tail, 4 legs, and I like to eat fish and berries. What am I?
Con tàu lao. Con tàu lao.
What animal likes to eat fish and berries? Sam? Pong?
Cat.
Really? Cats like to eat berries?
No.
It lives in the woods.
Con thích ăn. Con thích ăn cả
It's a
về dâu. Berry về mặt berry về đó.
bear. Next, Sam and Hannah.
Number 6.
Go to the first place. Wow, lucky. Next, Fong and Sam. Do your best.
12.
12. Okay. Other team loses 5 points. Next. Hannah.
3.
Number 3. I am small. I am a pet. I keep food in my cheeks. I am active at night. What am I?
Now. It's a hamster.
Okay, very good. Next. 9. My wings are used as flippers. So in the water I can flow. Sometimes when on land I slide on my belly. In the snow, what am I?
Penguin.
Oh, penguin. Yes. Okay, last 4. Last 4. 5. I like to use my long tongue to eat leaves from tops of trees. I don't have to climb them up though. With my long neck, it's a breeze. What am I? Long neck.
Monkey.
Giraffe. Yes. Okay, next. Pong and Sam. Pong and Sam.
12. 16. 30.
16. I'm an animal. you might love, but I'm too big to be your pet. I have an extremely long trunk, and it is said I never forget. What am I?
Elephant. Elephant.
Yes. Okay, last two. Last two. Which one, Sunny? Hannah? 15. Okay, hide my treasure in the ground. My tail is big and fluffy. But if you spot me in a tree, please don't call me Scoofy. Scroofy, what am I?
It's the squirrel. Squirrel. Squirrel.
Squirrel, yes. And the last, I am known as a king of the jungle where I reign. It's hard to tame me. I have a large mane. What am I? King of the jungle?
It's the
Lion. Wow. Okay, the winner is Hannah and Sunny. Very good. Better luck next time. Okay, let's have a reward. Thank you, class. A reward. Oh, what are your plans for tomorrow? It's day off. It's holiday. Where do you go? Where do you like to go tomorrow?
In my home.
Active in listening, active in reading, being on time, doing your task, a good student, helping others, on task, participating, persistence, and working hard. Yes. For top one for tonight, let's give for Sam. Top one, Sam. Where are you, Sam? Okay, this is for you, a pancake. Okay, let's have for top two. Let's give for Sunny. Top two. Sunny, what is this, Sunny? Sunny, what's this?
Hamburger.
Hamburger. Okay, top three is Fong. Top three is Fong. Go, Fong. This is for you. A fries. And let's give for top four for Hannah. Hannah, top four. Okay, this is for you, Hannah. A milkshake. Very good. Thank you so much, class. Okay. Do you have do you have any questions?
No.
Okay, do you want to sleep early? Or do you want to play a game? Yes, we can have a game again. Okay. Let's have this one.
Em ba sống luôn nè. Mẹ
Oh.
Chưa
Do you want to play a game?
No.
No, why? Sam is sleepy now. Okay, class, because it's weekend and we finished the task, we also give a reward and also we finish the lesson. That's all for tonight, okay? So you will enjoy tomorrow. You can sleep early, okay? Oh, you don't like? Do you want to play a game? Who wants to play a game? Hannah? Pong?
Me.
Sam? Sunny?
Me.
Okay. Let's have a last game. Okay, let's change the team. Now, Hannah and Sam, and Fong and Sunny, okay? Hannah and Sam, Fong and Sunny. Okay, choose your number. Hannah and Sam. Sam. What number, Sam?
6.
Okay. Oh, you lose 25 points. Next. Fong and Sunny. Fong and Sunny. 11. Oh, no points. Next. Hannah and Sam. Hannah and
10.
Sam, 10. I've got lumps on my back. I live on the sand. I'm strong and carry you over the land. What am I?
Lion.
Camel. Okay, next. Pong and Sunny. 8. A small, I am a pet. I keep my food in my cheeks. I am an active at night. What am I?
A mouse.
A hamster. Okay, next. Hannah and Sam.
Number 2.
I hide my treasure on the ground. Please don't call me Scruffy. What am I? Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Okay, next.
7.
Okay, it's something black and white, but it's not an old TV. A type animal starts with letter Z.
Zebra.
Okay, correct. Next.
Number 4.
4, I have wings, but I'm not a bird. I am a small and colorful. I live in gardens and fields and forests. I used to be a caterpillar. What am I?
Parrot.
Butterfly. Okay, next.
Run. Run.
I'm known the king of the jungle.
I know. It's a lion.
Yes. Okay, Hannah.
Mm,
5.
Number 5.
I have horns, but I can beep. I like to bleat. I'm not a sheep. What am I?
A cow.
Okay, a goat. Now,
20. 30.
I live in the ocean. I have 8 legs. Hard shell.
Octopus.
Okay, lobster. Next. What number, Hannah? Sam? 3. Cupid without a bow. Donor with no kebab. One who dances, one who frances. All dragging present, giving dad. What am I?
I am
Rabbit.
Reindeer. Okay, next.
Reindeer. Ah.
20. 12.
12. I have a hole in my back and legs I lack. I live where I can breathe. I eat without teeth. What am I?
It's a camel.
A whale. Okay, next. Last 4.
Number 14.
14. Some people are scared of preacher because have big bite. So be careful out in the ocean. Great
Stop.
white
Shark.
shark. Okay, next.
9.
I'm spotty and speedy. I'm not greedy.
Penguin.
No. Leopard.
Cheetah.
Okay, correct. Next, Hannah. Oh, Hannah and Sam.
16.
Okay, I have a tail. I can fly. I covered colorful feathers. I can whistle and talk. What am I?
It's the zebra.
No. I can fly. Zebra can fly.
Apple.
Zebra.
Apple.
What kind of bird? I can talk.
It's apple. Apple.
A
Parrot.
parrot. Okay, next and the last. Take points from team 1.
25.
Oh my. The winner is Pong and Sunny. Okay, class. You did great today. Congratulations. That's all for tonight. We can have a good night. Good night, Sam. Good night, Pong, Hannah, Sunny.
Good night, teacher.
Bye. Good